Tired of your elements drifting out of place every time you resize your page? Welcome to Foxify. Today we'll explore stacks, a powerful layout tool. Stacks are containers that group multiple elements together in a horizontal or vertical layout. They act like a flexible canvas within your page, allowing you to precisely position and arrange elements to keep them from overlapping or drifting apart as the screen resizes. First, let's see how to drag and drop a stack element. Over on the left panel, click Add Elements, then under Quick Add you'll see Stack. Just drag it onto your page. Now you've got a container ready for text, images, buttons, even other stacks. Got some elements already on the page? No problem. Click the first element you want to include, hold Shift, and select the others you want to add. Then up in the toolbar choose Stack Vertical or Stack Horizontal. Quick tip, hit Ctrl-Enter on Windows or CMD Return on Mac to instantly stack them vertically. You can also set the stack direction to wrap by clicking the three dots on an element and selecting Add Stack. To add a new element to a stack, drag it over the stack until you see the blue indicator and drop it. So how to manage a stack? You can use constraints to control how a stack sits inside a section. And one thing to keep in mind, stacks automatically space the items inside, and you can only apply constraints to the stack itself, not to the individual elements. Then, you can change the direction, make the elements flow vertically, horizontally, or wrap. Next, adjust distribution to control spacing horizontally, and alignment to control how items line up vertically. Use gap to set space between elements, either with a number or by dragging the pink guides. Finally, tweak padding to set space between the stack's edges and its contents, evenly on all sides or individually for each side. Now, let's talk about how to control element positioning inside a stack. First, let's cover relative positioning. By default, elements in a stack use relative positioning. That just means their position is relative to the stack container, still stays in the layout flow but can be moved slightly from its original spot. Let's switch an element to absolute positioning. Absolute position lets you drag and place an element anywhere you want, just like normal layouts. But once it's set to absolute, it's taken out of the page's flow and positioned based on its closest positioned parent. Finally, let's check out sticky elements. Sticky works a little differently. Instead of being fixed all the time, it sticks in place once you scroll to a certain point. You can tweak how it behaves with the inset setting, so it sticks exactly where you want. So, what if you don't want to stack your elements anymore? If you ever change your mind, taking an element out of a stack is super easy, just click it and drag it out. And if you want to break apart the whole stack, just select it, click Unstack, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Delete or CMD option Delete. Want to take your layouts to the next level? You can actually nest stacks inside other stacks. For example, let's create a collapsible content section. Start with a horizontal stack. Inside it, drag in an image. Next to the image, add a vertical stack for the collapsible with a heading at the top. By nesting stacks like this, you get precise control over spacing and alignment while keeping everything tidy and easy to update. Now, let's switch over to tablet and mobile views. This is where you fine-tune your layout, and with stacks, it's super easy to keep everything responsive across all screen sizes. And that's how you can use stacks to keep your layouts clean, flexible, and easy to adjust. One tool, endless possibilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.